Alright, picture this: you've got a bill due, a surprise expense pops up, or maybe you just need a little extra cash to tide you over until payday. You turn to Beforepay, get that instant boost, and then the question hits you: when exactly are they going to take that money back? Are we talking hours? Days? Weeks? You're not alone in wondering. If you've ever used, or considered using, Beforepay, this question is probably swirling around your head. Let's be real, knowing the repayment timeline is crucial. It's the difference between feeling relieved and feeling stressed. You don't want to be caught off guard, right? You want to plan, budget, and avoid any nasty surprises. So, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of Beforepay's repayment schedule. The core principle behind Beforepay is to provide short-term financial assistance, essentially an advance on your upcoming wages. This means they're not in the business of lending money indefinitely. They need to recoup their advance, and they do so by aligning with your pay cycle. Here's the key: Beforepay calculates your repayment date based on your next expected payday. When you sign up and link your bank account, they analyze your income patterns to determine when you typically get paid. This is how they personalize the repayment schedule. Generally, you can expect Beforepay to initiate the repayment process on your next payday. If your pay cycle is weekly, the repayment will occur within a week. If it's fortnightly, you're looking at 2 weeks. Monthly? You guessed it, around a month. However, there's a bit more to it than just your pay cycle. Beforepay also considers the specific day of the week you receive your salary. They aim to align the repayment with that exact day, ensuring a smooth and predictable process. Now, what about the exact timing on that day? Beforepay typically initiates the repayment early in the morning on your scheduled payday. This means the funds will be debited from your linked bank account around the time your salary is likely to be deposited. It's important to remember that Beforepay provides a clear repayment date within the app. You'll see this information when you apply for an advance, and it's always accessible in your account details. This transparency is designed to help you stay informed and manage your finances effectively. What happens if your payday changes? Life happens, right? If your payday shifts, it's crucial to update your information within the Beforepay app. By doing so, you can ensure that the repayment date remains accurate and avoid any potential issues. If you fail to update, the original repayment date based on your historical pay data will still be used. Also, it's worth noting that Beforepay does offer some flexibility. They understand that unexpected situations can arise. If you anticipate any difficulties with repayment, it's best to contact their customer support team as soon as possible. They can discuss potential options and work with you to find a solution. In essence, the time it takes Beforepay to take the money out is directly tied to your individual pay cycle and the specific day you receive your salary. They provide clear information within the app, and it's your responsibility to keep your details updated. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.